Hello Mayhem Makers, I'm Mindy with Quilting Mayhem. Welcome back to the Alchemy Sew Along. This video tutorial I'm going to show you just how to baste your fabric to your paper pieces. So you have your fabric cut out in the hexy shapes. You're going to grab a handful of your papers, and my method is glue basting. So that is my preferred method. I have tried all kinds of basting in the past. I've thread based, I've done it on my sewing machine, I've just pressed them, you name it. This is still my favorite method, and it's just what works for me. Now remember, basting, it's personal preference. You don't have to do it my way. If you like to thread baste, please thread baste. This is purely just personal preference, but I am just going to show you my method because this is, for me, the easiest to do, especially when I'm traveling or sitting in front of the TV at doctor's appointments, all those kinds of things. It just, to me, is the fastest to do. So I'm going to show you this method. There are tons of methods out there. You could search the internet for days and probably find all kinds. And I encourage that. Find what you like. And it may not be this way, but this is the nice, quick, and easy. So I'm going to move this down because we're going to get to the important part. Basting really is like the easiest. This is almost my favorite part because it's pretty mindless. You can get pretty quick at it. But I just center the paper. The nice thing if you're using the Tula Pink template is it's giving you 3/8 around instead of a 1/4 inch. So you have a little more room to play with. But I just put glue straight onto my paper, flip it over, and just rub it down. So you could use something like, say, a seam roller, thankfully because I'm right here. You use this guy, you use this, and I do like to use it towards the end, just to make everything nice and creased, but I'm really just doing a dab of glue and just using my fingers. This is why I like having these acrylic nails. It makes a nice little tool, and then just nice and pressed, and you can give it a little rub with, and you could use a bone folder. It doesn't have to be a seam roller, but this just makes it nice, crisp, and that's all you're doing. And you're going to end up with all kinds of these guys because each month this is all you're doing. You're just making the same size hexie, and then you're going to end up sewing them together. All right, so here we'll do one more, show you how easy this is. I feel like I need to figure out how to do a video that just kind of time lapse a whole bunch of these. I think it would be kind of mesmerizing. And I just go in order. So I just go around in a circle, and then in the end I'm just folding it over. You don't have to do anything fancy with the corners. You're just going around in a nice circle and press. All right. I love it. One of the easiest videos to do because that's how simple this project is going to be. It's going to be cutting fabric, basting a whole bunch of these lovely hexies, and then you're going to stitch them together. So that'll be the next video. I'll show you how I stitch it. Same thing will be, you can do your own stitching methods. So keep in mind what I teach you, it's not gospel. It's not like the quilty rules and the quilt police are going to come after you because you didn't do it Mindy's way. All right, so just keep that in mind. I'm just teaching you my way. This is just how I have found it to be the easiest. If you have any problems, have any questions as you go, just reach out to me, email me, come see me at the store, call us at the store. You can email info@quiltingmayhem, message through Facebook, Instagram, you name it. Just reach out and say, hey, I need some help, or can I come see you? Can you show me in person? Just let me know. We'll gladly help you out. All right, guys? Hope you have a fabulous day. Keep on stitching.